This is Buckle Down page 131, Lesson 14, Graph Patterns, Lesson Practice Part 1. Use this information for questions 1 through 4. Two patterns start at 0. First pattern uses the rule add 1. The second pattern uses the rule add 5. Okay, so now we have two patterns start at 0. First pattern uses the rule add 1. Second pattern uses the rule add 5. First pattern is always x coordinate. Second pattern is always y coordinate. So don't forget, first is always x, second is y. Number 1. Which shows the first 5 terms for the x coordinates. Okay, each one of these is called term. So first is 0. The rule says add 1 each time. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Add 1 to that, you get 2. Add 1 to that, you get 3. Add 1 to that, you get 4, so on. So we have term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. So we have 5 terms. So x, we should have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is choice A. Number 2, which shows the first 5 terms for y coordinates. Okay, second term is your y coordinates. Add 5 each time and starts from 0. Add 5 to that, you get 5. Add 5 to this, you get 10. Add 5 to this, you get 15. Add 5 to this, you get 20. So y terms are 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Choice B. Now number 3, it says which shows the order pairs of corresponding terms of the patterns. Order pairs are these terms. So it is 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15, 4, 20. Keep in mind, x is your first, y is your second. So let's see, 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15, 4, 20. So it is choice C. Number 4. Which best describes how the corresponding terms are related? Let's see, corresponding terms, here to here, here to here. These are corresponding terms. Let's see, how are they related? The value of y coordinate is 2 times the value of corresponding x coordinate. Let's see, 0 times 2 is a 0? Yes. 1 times 2 is a 5? No. So it is not A. Choice B. The value of y coordinate is 3 times the value of corresponding x coordinate. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 3 is a 5? No, it is not. So that's not it. Choice C. The value of y coordinates is 4 times the value of the corresponding x coordinate. 0 times 4 is 0. 1 times 4 is a 5? No, it is not. So that's not it. Choice D. The value of y coordinates is 5 times the value of the corresponding x coordinate. 0 times 5 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. Yes, choice D is the correct answer.